This is Easy VoIP at Flyingvoice. I'm Steve.
I'm Megan.
Hi, Megan.
Yeah, hi, Steve.
As you know, Metaswitch is a very popular UC cloud system.
Yes.
Many carrier and ISPs use this system.
Yeah.
And of course, Metaswitch support auto provision.
Yes, they do support auto provision.
Yeah, but I think in generally, when our IP phones or ATA's factory out, there is no setup for the Metaswitch system.
That's right.
Yeah, but people prefer to make a zero-touch configuration. That means we just set up the profile on the Metaswitch auto provision, and the device can connect it to the Metaswitch easily.
Yes, that's right. We need to enter the auto provision URL on the device manually. In the traditional
That
way.
is not convenient.
Yes, that's
so,
right.
Is there some good solution to help the customer to connect it to the Metaswitch auto provision with zero touch?
Yes, we do have. And it is our FIPS redirection and provisioning service. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Could you give me an introduction?
Yes. Yes. In this presentation, we can see the topology, the terminals, and the Flyingvoice devices is at this place. And firstly, it will send a request by HTTPS to our IPS system, and then the IPS system will send the provisioning URL to the terminals. After that, the phone will send the request to the provisioning systems. In today's demonstration, it is a Metaswitch.
Oh, understand. So let me clearly. So all the device with a factory auto default configuration, it will connected to the RPS server.
Yes.
As initial.
Yes, that's right.
So for the carriers or ISPs can easily to set up some configuration on the RPS.
Yes. They can set up the provisioning URL according to
of course.
Even though they use different provisioning.
Yeah, with a different
servers.
customers provisioning servers.
Yes, that's right.
And the device, when the initial powered on, it will get the real auto server's URL and move to the, for example, Metaswitch.
Yes, exactly.
So for the customer, it need touch zero, just power on, and everything will done by the software and the systems.
Yes. So these solutions, we provide a zero touch.
Okay.
Yes.
So I guess that is why we call it a redirection and provision servers, because the redirections or the provision to the real provision server.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's quite good. Could you give me a demo show? Oh,
Yes.
one more question.
Okay.
So only the IP phones support this FRPS solution?
Actually, all of our devices are support, include the IP phones, the ATA, and the ART devices.
Everyone?
Yes, everyone.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Could you give me a demo show?
Yes, no problem. In the desk, we can see two devices. These two are our LTE ATA.
Yeah. It supports the built-in LTE connections, internet connections, and can work as ATA directly.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's good. And no, it is new, so there is not power on. It's power off.
Yes.
Okay.
It is new.
Okay, please help. Please tell me how to set up the system step by step.
Okay. Firstly, we need to go to the Metaswitch platform to configure the device. And this is the main interface of the Metaswitch system. And first of all, we selected the extensions that you want to send to the ATAs.
It's a Metaswitch provision management.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, we can see some informations and we navigate to SIP phones. Then click on add new phone. Okay, now we enter the device MAC address. You can find the MAC address on the back label or on the status page of it.
Okay, for the both devices.
Yes. And then select allow authentication for an hour for now. Click on apply.
So we have added one.
Yes.
Should add another.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we add another extension. And Metaswitch to search for another extension number.
This is a demo for the auto provision, so the extension has configured before, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And do the same thing, go to Save Phones.
Okay. So in this operation, we assign the two extensions to binding the extension with a MAC address of both devices.
Yes.
Okay.
And then click on Add a new phone. Okay. And enter the MAC address of the device.
Okay. So with the configuration, I think the Metaswitch is ready.
Yes.
We set up two extension number, 1902 and 1903.
Yes.
And you are binding the two extension number with both devices.
Yes.
With the MAC address.
Yeah.
So today, but the trouble is that the device do not know what is its number. I do not know where to get the configuration field.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yes. So next step, we need to go to the FIPS system to to add the provisioned URL.
Okay. That means both devices, when they the initial powered on, it will connect to the FIPS server automatically.
Yes.
That is default configuration.
That's right.
Okay, so our job is to transfer the device to the Metaswitch provision server to get the configuration field.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here is the FIPS web interface. We need to go to Profile Manage to add the Metaswitch's provisioned URL.
That is our FIPS UI.
Yes, this is the FIPS UI and Profile Manage. We click on Add.
Okay.
Select a retailer name, and this is a profile name. Let us name it Metaswitch Test.
Okay, no problem. That is can be any name, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And the profile URL is the Metaswitch's platform's provisioning URL.
Oh, that should be following the Metaswitch rule.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right. Okay, and that's it. Click on Confirm. Add success. Next step, we go to Device Manage to add these two ATAs.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the Device Manage page, and click on Register.
So in last step, we set up the general rules for the Metaswitch auto provision.
Yeah.
And here we should set up individually for the both devices.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And select the model number of the device. And the serial number. And the MAC address.
So this is a security system. People should be know the MAC address and the server number can do the setup.
Yes.
Okay.
And the profile name is the one we just created, Metaswitch Test.
Okay.
And click on Confirm. This is the first ATA, and add the second one. Select the model number. Okay, that's all the configurations on the FIPS system. And now you can see the redirect status. Because now the device is powered off, it is not being directed. So the status here is not directed.
Okay, hold on.
Yes.
So today, because everything is ready, Metaswitch have ready for the both device, and we also set up on the FRPS servers.
Yes.
When we power on the device, it will be connected to the FRPS and redirected to the Metaswitch. And Metaswitch have also ready. And download the configuration field to the device.
Yes.
And we can make phone call.
That's right.
Okay, let's show. To power on?
Yes,
okay,
we can power on
go.
the device now. We'll refresh this page.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So both devices has been transferred to the Metaswitch.
Yes.
And we will also wait a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, to wait the device to download the configuration field.
Yes.
And it will be
registered to the extension.
Okay,
yeah,
quite good. Let's wait a few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, may you check the AT status through the web UI?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go to. This is the first ATS web interface. We can check the status page. Okay.
Okay, that is 1092.
Yeah.
May I check the administration? May I check the ACS URL? Yes.
Okay. Go to provisioning. Yes. Now this one is the.
I'll move to the Metaswitch.
Yeah.
How about another?
Yeah. Check another one.
Okay, it's also that 1093. So that is post device.
Yes.
And we can make a phone call.
Yes, we can make a call test.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
you
call
can
your
me.
number.
Yep.
1093.
Hello, Megan.
Yeah. Hi, Steve.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, successful. Okay. Okay, this is Easy VoIP and Flyingvoice. Today, we make a demo show for Metaswitch and Flyingvoice FRPS servers and the LTATs.
Yes.
Okay, I think that is very good solutions for help people to make connections with Metaswitch or the provision.
Yes.
Thank you, Megan.
Yeah, thank you, Steve.
Okay, everybody, see you next time.
See you next time.